Servus, Doc. Ja, ustao sam. Kaki problem desio je? Šta misli zva?
I jeste ljudi, rekli su mi da probam ovu igru, možda je veoma zanimljiva i da nema problema s njom, da je sve cool. O, Servus, ovaj izgleda kao neki Gašpar, Servus Gašpar, tako ćemo ga izvati. Ovaj Gašpar, kupio čekić. Nije ništa strašno, davno je lako. Nađan! Evo i on se uči. Oho! Kako sad? Dobar ti je čup! Gašpar!
There's no feeling more intense than starting over. If you deleted your homework the day before it was due,
Kakav domaći!
or if you left your wallet at home and you have to go back after spending an hour in the commute,
Pa dobro, ovdje ne
you want
mogu da
some money
zaboravim
in the
novčanik.
and you put all your winnings on red, but it came up black.
Kakav
You
novčanik?
got your best
Da
shot at
pričaš ti!
for a wedding and then immediately dropped food on. If you want an argument with a friend and then later
Tiho, ne
they
mogu
just
proći!
the original view. Starting over is harder than starting up. If you're not ready for that, like if you've already had a bad day, then what you're about to go through might be too much. Feel free to go away and come back. I'll be here.
Kaki problem desio je, idemo. Prešli smo od druve. O, boli ga. Ajde Gašpar. Jere. O! Ne, moj super. Aj se držati, ajo. Moš ti to, ko te, brate. Povuci taj čup.
Thanks for coming with me on this trip. I'll understand if you have to take a break at any point. Just find a safe place to stop with the game. Don't worry, I'll save your progress, always, even your mistakes.
Evo, idemo. Lako je, nije ništa. Ništa stresno. Sve lagano. Muzika. Fina. Muzika je fina. Kako sam je fina muzika. Ajde! Hvati to. A što to radiš? Gore! Ajme. Ja! Aj! Tako.
This game is a homage to a free game from 2002 titled Sexy Hiking. The author of that game was Jazzor.
Oh!
Just checked it. It was known at the time as V-games. And V-games are rough assemblages of bound objects. Designers slap them together very quickly and freely, and they're often too rough and unfriendly to gain much of a following. They're built more for the joy of building them than as polished products.
Može, ajde se ugasi, mislim, ja ne razumijem. Nekako me... Rasijali. Ej, body bi bad. Pomeri taj show ili tako razvalit će stavim čekićem. Idemo! A što je to toliko teško da ti sad uvatiš i da ideš naprijed?
Pa ne tako.
Nemoj mi govorit ne tako glavu, ću te razvalit sada.
Nemoj se nervirati.
Joj!
Pa ne tako.
Sve u redu? Oho! Kažem ja, sve u redu. Nemoj! Nemoj opet! Sad. Ko je sad?
Šta se?
Tu si. Eto što sam vruć. Ima mišića, ali ne volim se tući.
Eto što sam vruć.
Sad. Trenutak istine. Vaš odgovor je... Opa!
Nemoj. Polako, Spirić.
Kako je ludri? Kako je bre, idemo dalje.
In a certain way, sexy hiking is the perfect embodiment of a B game. It's built almost entirely out of bound and recycled parts, and it's one of the most unusual.
Pa ti si psihopat, što si napravi ovo?
In it, your task is simply to drag yourself up a mountain with a hammer. That act applies
Dete!
in the digital world or in real life with certain essential properties that give the game its flavor. No forward progress is guaranteed. Some cliffs are too sheer or too slippery,
Aj sad.
and the player is constantly, unremittingly in danger of falling and losing everything.
Dosadan lik.
Debe.
Sad.
Nemoj. Ne.
Polako. Digni taj čekić. Gdje si kupio čeki? U Bomax! Sljedeći put idemo na buvljak da kupimo kod buvljatičara neki čekić. Udri lim! Opa!
Anyway, when you start like it, you start to this dead tree that blocks the way to the entire rest of the game. It might take you an hour to get over that tree. People never go over it. You prod and you poke at it, exploring the limits of your reach, trying to find a way up and over. And there's a sense of truth in that lack of compromise. Most obstacles in video game worlds are fake. You can be completely confident in your ability to get through them once you have the correct method, correct equipment, just by spending it over time. In that sense, every pixelated obstacle in sexy hiking is real. Oh, you just lost a lot of progress. That's a deep frustration. Feel punch in the gut.
Aha, mogla bi nekad. Popije! I sad polako! Gdje ćeš? Ja bi to. Uzmi taj čekić i zabodi ga. Raspravljaj se s tim na bodi. Budka. Ne. Ja. Bodi biber.
Vidi da si stigao, ne znam kako sam stigao.
Polako. Aj! Nemoj!
Sad ćeš pasti.
Ne može bilo. Rekao sam sve može polako. Kako se sad?
Ne.
Čekaj, ja da se malo siram. Kreni. Rekao sam, kreni. Gle sad. Gle manj. Hasan!
The obstacles in sexy hiking are unyielding, and that makes the game uniquely frustrating. But I'm not sure Jazro intended to make a frustrating game. The frustration is just essential to the act of climbing, and it's authentic to the process of building a game about it. A funny thing happened to me as I was building it. I have an idea for a new obstacle, and I'd build it,
Yeah, boy.
and it would usually turn out to be unreasonably hard. But I couldn't bring myself to make it. It already felt like my inability to get past the obstacle was my fault as a player rather than imaginary mountains build themselves from our efforts to climb them. And it's our repeated attempts to reach the summit that turns those mountains into something real.
Šta?
Oof, sorry about that.
Čaba. Hvala ti mnogo. Hvala ti tebi, Adrian. I hvala Sap Čaj, veri.